Hello everyone. So in this video we'll be looking at the modulus graphs, but before moving on to that part, one thing I forgot to mention in the last video is that let's say for example you have the equation modulus of x plus 3 greater than 2. So one thing that we studied in the last video is that when we remove the modulus, what we always do is that write this equation on the left hand side as it is, but on the other side it will be greater than plus minus of 2. Now what we will do is that we will solve for x separately, one with the positive 2 and one with the negative 2. When we solve this inequality with the positive 2, the inequality sign will not be changed, it will be as it is. So it will be x plus 3 greater than positive 2. But when we solve it with the negative 2, we just have to change the inequality sign. So then it will be x plus 3 less than minus 2. Just you have to remember this when you solve with the negative negative value, then you have to always change the sign. Let's take a look at another example. Let's say we have x mod of x less than 3. Remove the mod, x less than plus minus of 3. Now when solving with the positive one, inequality sign will not be changed, but when you solve with the negative 3, just change the sign. So it will be x greater than minus 3. And now we'll move on to the modulus graphs. So in our P3 syllabus we only have linear equations of graphs in the modulus. Modulus graphs. Okay, let's start with an example. Let's say we have sketch the graph of y equals to mod of 4x plus 2. Let me write it a little bit more clear. Sketch the graph of y equals to mod of 4x plus 2. So now what we will do, we will find the y and x intercepts both. So here when we find the y intercept, put x equals to 0, what you will get is y equals to mod of 2, and mod of 2 means 2. So the y intercept is 2, which means that that point will be 0, 2. Now we need to look at the x intercept. When finding the x intercept, what we do is we put y equals to 0. So here when we put y equals to 0, it will be mod of 4x plus 2 mod of 4x plus 2 equals to 0. Remove the mod sign by modulus 4x plus 2, it will be as it is equals to 0. Then 4x equals to negative 2, so x equals to x will be negative half. So now we have the x-intercept, which is negative half, and that point will be negative half comma 0. And now we will sketch the graph. First we will sketch the y-intercept point. Let's say it is here, 0 comma 2. Another point, let's say it is something here, negative half comma 0. So it will always be a straight V shape. Like this. So this is the sketch of y equals to mod of 4x plus 2. So this point is 0 comma 2, and this one is negative half comma 0. Now we'll take a look at another example. Let me just erase everything here. Now what if the mod sign, negative sign, is outside the modulus? For example, y equals to minus 2 mod. Okay, let's take this example. Y equals to minus 4 mod of x plus 2. Now the negative sign is outside. Okay, so now we will find the both intercepts. First we'll find the y-intercept. Y-intercept will be, put x equals to 0. So y-intercept will be 2 comma 0. The point will be 2 comma 0. Now finding the x-intercept, put y equals to 0. So minus 4 mod of x plus 2 equals to 0. Now take this negative 4 mod x to the other side. It will be 4 mod x equals to 2. Mod of x equals to 2 by 4, which is half, and x will be equals to plus minus half. So now because of this mod, we have two intercepts of x. One is negative half and the other is positive half. So x-intercept half, one is half, one is negative half, which means that point will be, the points will be, okay, I'm not writing the points. This one point will be half comma 0, another will be negative half comma 0. Now sketching the graph of this equation. Let me draw exact straight line. Now we'll plot the points. 1 point 2 comma 0 here, x minus half, let's say it is something here, and positive half is here. Now because of this negative sign outside the modulus, the graph will be upside down V shape. The graph will also because the negative sign is also outside the modulus, the graph, the upside down V shape will be coming down this x-axis like this. And this is the complete sketch of this equation, modulus equation. So that's all in this video. In next video we will be covering the next part of the algebra.